Transform every homemade recipe into a delightful experience with the best countertop kitchen blender with 7 speeds, designed to bring professional quality blending right to your kitchen. Imagine effortlessly creating creamy smoothies, silky soups, and irresistible sauces that captivate every taste bud. Its smooth performance turns daily routines into moments of joy, making every preparation feel special. Perfect for anyone who values flavor, freshness, and convenience. This blender adds a touch of excellence that elevates your cooking journey every single day. Number 1. NutriBullet Full-Size Blender Combo 1200 watts. Every kitchen deserves a powerful companion that turns ordinary ingredients into something extraordinary. The NutriBullet Full-Size Blender Combo 1200 watt dark gray brings energy and confidence to every blending task, making each preparation feel smooth and effortless. From refreshing drinks to delicious sauces, its dynamic performance helps you craft flavors that awaken the senses and create memorable moments around the table. The elegant dark gray finish blends beautifully with any modern space, giving your countertop a refined touch. Its strong build supports your daily culinary adventures, helping you experiment with textures and tastes without hesitation. Whether it is a quick morning boost or a cozy family dinner, this versatile blender fits seamlessly into every lifestyle. Its thoughtful design encourages creativity, transforming simple recipes into vibrant dishes that everyone loves. Choosing this blender means embracing convenience, reliability, and a professional touch that inspires you to explore more in your kitchen every single day. Number 2. Oster Pro 1200 Smoothie Blender with Glass Jar. A well-crafted drink or perfectly blended sauce has the power to uplift any moment, and the Oster Pro 1200 Smoothie Blender with Glass Jar and 24-ounce to-go cup countertop kitchen blender with 7 speeds 1200 watt power brushed nickel brings that experience into your home with ease. Its strong blending capability creates smooth textures that make every sip and bite feel special. The brushed nickel finish adds a sophisticated touch that blends effortlessly with any kitchen interior, making it not just an appliance but a statement piece. Its dependable performance supports busy mornings, relaxed evenings, and creative cooking sessions, helping you turn simple ingredients into memorable creations. Every use builds confidence in your kitchen skills, encouraging you to experiment with flavors and achieve professional quality results. Whether preparing refreshing smoothies, creamy soups, or flavorful sauces, this blender enhances everyday routines and transforms them into enjoyable culinary experiences that bring comfort and satisfaction. Number 3. Ninja Blender and Food Processor Combo. A kitchen companion that turns ordinary moments into something extraordinary. The Ninja Blender and Food Processor Combo Foodie Power Blender System inspires creativity with every use. Its sleek silver design enhances the beauty of any countertop while giving a sense of trust and sophistication. Whether it is early morning or a late night craving, it brings flavors to life with smooth textures that feel professionally prepared. Every blend feels like a step closer to a healthier lifestyle, making daily routines more enjoyable and effortless. The generous 72-ounce pitcher opens up endless possibilities, allowing families to share refreshing smoothies or creamy shakes without waiting. Its thoughtful design brings together functionality and style, giving a sense of satisfaction with each use. Preparing spreads or vibrant bowls feels easy and fulfilling, turning kitchen time into cherished moments. With this reliable companion, even the simplest ingredients transform into something delightful, making every creation feel personal and special. It becomes more than just an appliance. It becomes part of a meaningful lifestyle that values taste, freshness, and joy in every sip and bite. Number 4. Oster Extreme Mix Blender. The Oster Extreme Mix Blender brings an uplifting energy into every kitchen, turning daily routines into moments filled with flavor and freshness. Its powerful performance feels effortless, blending ingredients into smooth, satisfying textures that awaken the senses. The 8-cup glass jar gives plenty of room to create refreshing drinks or creamy mixtures for loved ones, making every preparation feel thoughtful and abundant. Each use delivers a feeling of control and confidence, as if professional blending is happening right at home. The titanium-coated blade stack works with impressive strength, transforming tough ingredients into silky creations without struggle. Its design reflects both elegance and durability, adding a touch of modern charm to any countertop. Busy mornings become brighter with quick, mess-free blending that fits perfectly into daily life, while relaxed evenings turn into moments of shared indulgence. This reliable companion supports a balanced lifestyle by encouraging fresh choices, vibrant flavors, and joyful experiences. It is more than just a blender, it becomes part of every nourishing memory, making every sip and bite feel special. Number 5. Blenders for Kitchen, 2000 watts Professional. A powerful presence that transforms everyday kitchen moments into something exciting. The 2000 watt professional grade high-speed countertop blender brings inspiration with every blend. Its bold design gives a sense of strength and reliability, making it easy to create refreshing drinks, creamy textures, and vibrant mixtures that feel crafted with care. The 68-ounce pitcher holds generous servings, allowing families and friends to enjoy delicious creations together without waiting. Each use feels smooth and effortless, turning simple ingredients into satisfying experiences that awaken the senses. The thoughtfully designed to-go cup encourages healthy choices on busy days, making fresh blends feel convenient and personal wherever life goes. Its solid build and clean structure reflect quality, adding a modern touch to any countertop. This trusted companion turns daily blending into joyful rituals, inspiring creativity and healthier living with every pour. It brings a sense of pride to the kitchen, making each preparation feel like a meaningful act of care for oneself and loved ones.